Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is tie. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读 tie. Very good. Now let's write together. 我们一起写我们一起写，再来一次，横撇捺点 tie. Tie means two, but if you want to say to something, we need to add tie 什么什么了。For example, too beautiful. 太美了。Too hungry. 太饿了。But if we use the negative one, we don't need to use the, we directly use 不太怎么样 Not very good. 不太好。So, if you like today's video, please like and share it to your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.